Today, we're diving into some amazing mascara hacks that will give you longer, fuller lashes in no time. You guys know I'm all about embracing and enhancing your natural beauty, and these mascara tips will have your lashes looking absolutely stunning. Trust me, these are going to become your new go-to secrets for the most gorgeous, eye-catching lashes ever. Let's get started. First things first, babes. We gotta start with a clean slate. You want to make absolutely sure your lashes are free of any old mascara. You know that leftover stuff from last night's glam? Yeah, that's gotta go. And don't forget about any oils that can build up on your lashes. Having a clean base is super important because it helps your mascara adhere better and last longer. Okay, are you ready for a total game changer? Lash primer, my loves. Lash primer is like the magic potion for your lashes. It adds volume and length before you even apply your mascara. Seriously, it's like giving your lashes a boost of confidence. Just apply it like you would mascara, from root to tip, and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Chapter 3. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now let's talk application. When you're applying your mascara, don't just swipe it on. Instead, wiggle that wand. Yes, wiggle it at the base of your lashes to really lift and add volume. This technique is going to give you the most amazing lift and curl, trust me. Chapter 4. Layer it up. Here's the thing, loves. Don't be afraid to apply multiple coats of mascara. I mean, who doesn't love a little extra drama, right? Just make sure to let each coat dry slightly before applying the next. This will help prevent clumping and give you those luscious, voluminous lashes you're dreaming of. Chapter 5. Comb it out. Now, if you're anything like me, you know that sometimes mascara can get a little clumpy. But don't worry, I got you. A lash comb is your new best friend. It will help separate your lashes and remove any clumps, giving you a more natural, defined look. Just gently comb through your lashes from root to tip, and voila, perfection! Outrow lashes on point. And there you have it, beauties. Now you're ready to rock those gorgeous, luscious lashes. I can't wait to see your amazing transformations. Try these hacks and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.